Hey, it's Stan Bush from CBS4. We are driving just about 40 miles west of Burlington on I-70. We're out on the Eastern Plains. It's extremely windy. We have been pushed all over I-70 by the high winds. Mark Nitro over with us. He's been trying to fight the winds. Mark, it's been pretty tough, right?
It was hard to go straight down the road. I'm just constantly trying to correct because of the winds.
We've been mostly going a few miles below the speed limit. We've already seen about a half dozen semi-trucks that have been overturned. We'll have the latest from the Eastern Plains tonight on CBS4 News at 10. We'll see you then.